Let us, for instance, compare the relative stabilities of methyl and ethyl radicals. In methyl radical, hyperconjugation is not possible and no delocalization of odd electron takes place. But in ethyl radical, there is considerably delocalization of odd electron due to contribution from normal structure and their hyperconjugation structures as shown below. As a result of stabilization due to resonance or delocalization, ethyl radical is about 25 kilojoule mole inverse, more stable than methyl radical. As we pass on to isopropyl radical 2 degree, it will have 6 hyperconjugation contributing structures in addition to the normal structure. Due to greater delocalization resulting from more contributing structures, the isopropyl free radical is more stable than methyl free radical to the extent of 37.6 kilojoule mole inverse. Similarly, tertiary butyl radical 3 degrees stabilized to the extent of 50 kg mole inverse, since it has 9 hyperconjugation structures in addition to the usual structure, and therefore very extensive delocalization of electrons takes place. In general, the order of stability of alkyl radical is tertiary, secondary, primary, or methyl. Resonance or conjugation. Like carbocations and anions, free radicals exhibiting resonance or conjugation are also more stable than simple alkyl radicals. For example, allyl free radicals is more stable than alkyl free radicals because the former is stabilized by resonance. It can be readily understood that a triphenyl methyl free radical is very highly stabilized by resonance due to the presence of three phenyl groups attached to carbon carrying the odd electron. Determination of stability of some common free radicals to different kinds. The relative stabilities of free radicals can be measured by determining homolytic bond dissociation energies of RH bond. The relative stabilities of some common free radicals. Carbenes. What are carbenes? Carbenes are neutral divalent chemical species in which a carbon is covalently bonded to two atoms and has got two non-bonding orbitals having two electrons between them. In other words, carbenes contain a neutral carbon atom having 6 electrons in the valence shell, out of which 2 are unshared. The most common carbenes are CH2 methylene and CCl2 dichloromethylene. Carbenes are highly reactive species having a very short life period. Types of carbenes. An interesting feature of carbene structure is that it may exist in two distinct states. One, singlet carbenes and triplet singlet carbenes. These are carbenes in which unshared electrons are paired. Triplet carbenes. These are carbenes in which unshared electrons are not paired. For example, methylene carbene can have either of the following two structures depending upon its mode of formation: singlet methylene, triplet methylene. Triplet carbenes represent biradicals. Formation of carbenes. There are two methods generally employed for the generation of carbenes: by the thermal or photochemical decomposition of aliphatic diazo compounds, ketones or cyclopropanes. For example, डाईएजोमीथेन को अगर हीट करेंगे तो मिथाइलिन कार्बिन बनेगा, कीटोन से भी हमें मिथाइलिन कार्बिन बनेगा. सेकेंड है बाय द एक्शन ऑफ ए बेस ऑन सुटेबल हेलोजन कंपाउंड. दिस मेथड इज यूजुअली एम्प्लॉयड फॉर द जनरेशन ऑफ हेलोजन कार्बिन्स एंड द बेस कॉमनली यूज्ड इट्स पोटेशियम tertiary butoxide. It may be noted that in the above reaction, H positive and Cl negative are removed from the same carbon atom. A well-known example of a reaction in which a carbene is formed as an intermediate is Reamer-Thiemann reaction of phenol to give salicylaldehyde. It involves the formation of dichlorocarbene CCl2 as an intermediate. Structure of carbenes. In singlet carbenes, the central atom is in a state of sp2 hybridization. Of the three sp2 hybrid orbitals, two are used in forming two single bonds with the monovalent atoms or groups attached to carbon. The third sp2 orbital contains the unshared pair of electrons while the unhybridized p orbital is empty. In triplet carbenes, the central atom is in the state of sp hybridization. The two sp hybrid orbitals are used in forming single bond with the two monovalent atoms or groups attached to carbon. The two unhybridized p orbitals contain one unshared electron each. Relative stabilities of carbenes and its explanation. It has been found that triplet carbons are lower in energy and therefore more stable than singlet carbons. This is because placement of two electrons in a single orbital in single methylene involves electron repulsion energy which must be overcome to pair the two electrons in the same orbital. On the other hand, in triplet carbons, the two electrons occupy different orbitals and the electron repulsion is much less. As a result, singlet methylenes have higher energy than triplet methylenes. The difference in energy is about 37.6 to 46 kilojoule mole inverse. Comparison of singlet and triplet carbons. Singlet carbon, in this two unshared electrons are present as a pair in one orbital, while in triplet carbon in this two unshared electrons are present in two unpaired electrons in different orbitals, that thus it represents a biradical. This is relatively less stable. Triplet carbons are relatively more stable. The central atom is sp2 hybridized, central atom is sp3 hybridized. Nature of reagents. When two substances react together, one of the substances is regarded as the attacking reagent while the other is taken as a substrate. The new substances formed as a result of the reaction are called products. Thus, the occurrence of a chemical reaction may be depicted as substrate plus attacking reagent gives products. It may be pointed out that the term attacking reagent is usually employed for the substance whose presence brings about a chemical change in the given substance to form the products, but the use of the two terms is purely relative. A particular substance may be termed as a substance in one reaction and an attacking reagent in the other. However, the following conventions are generally followed in the use of two terms. First, in a reaction between an organic and an inorganic substance, the organic substance is treated as the substrate, while the inorganic substance is taken as the attacking reagent. Second, in a reaction between two organic substances, the substance which supplies the carbon atom in the formation of a new bond between a carbon atom and a heteroatom is treated as the substrate. The other substance is taken as the attacking reagent. In a reaction between two organic substances involving the formation of a carbon-carbon bond of the substance is artificially assumed to be the substrate while the other is taken as the attacking reagent. Classification of reagents. There are three types of attacking reagents taking part in organic reactions. These are: first, free radicals. Their formation and reactivity has already been discussed. Electrophilic reagents. An electrophilic reagent or an electrophile is a reagent containing an atom which is deficient in electrons. Because of the presence of electron deficient atom, such a reagent tries to seek electrons from other sources and thus behaves as a Lewis acid. It attacks a molecule at the point of high electron density. Types of electrophiles. First have positively charged ions or positive electrophiles. Positively charged ions such as hydrogen ion H plus, hydronium ion H3O plus, chlorinium ion Cl plus, nitronium ion NO2 plus, and carbocations act as electrophilic reagents. Neutral electrophiles. These are electrophiles reagents in which the electron deficient atom does not carry any charge. For example, AlCl3, FeCl3 and BF3 belong to this category. There are certain substances in which the central atom has a complete octet of electrons and still it has a tendency to coordinate more electrons due to the presence of empty d orbitals. SnCl2 afford an example of such an electrophile. Carbines also act as an electrophile because the carbon in them has only 6 electrons rather than an octet. Reactions involving electrophilic reagents are known as electrophilic reactions. Nucleophilic reagents. A nucleophilic reagent or a nucleophile containing an atom having an unshared or lone pair of valency electrons. Because of this free pair of electrons, such a reagent is in search of a site with which to share electrons and in this way behaves as a base. It attacks a molecule at a point of low electron density. For example, consider a OH negative ion. The oxygen present in the ion contains unshared pair of electrons. Due to this reason, OH negative ion attacks any molecule containing a center of 2 electron density so as to share the electrons at that point. Types of nucleophiles. Nucleophiles are also of two types. Negative nucleophiles or negatively charged ions are negatively charged ions such as hydroxyl ion, halide ion, alkoxide ion, cyanide ion, and carbanions. Neutral nucleophiles. There are nucleophilic reagents which contain no charge or which contain atoms with lone pairs of electrons but do not carry charge. Water H2O plus, ammonia, NH3, and alcohols. Reactions involving nucleophilic reagents are known as nucleophilic reactions. Classification of organic reactions. The organic reactions may be broadly classified into the following categories. These are substitution or displacement reactions, addition reactants, elimination reactions, rearrangement reactions, isomerism reactions, condensation reactions, molecular reactions. First, substitution reaction. A substitution reaction is that which involves the direct replacement of hydrogen atom or some other group of a molecule by some other atom or group without any change in the structure of the remaining part of the molecule. The product obtained is known as substitution product and the new atom or group which enters the molecule is known as substituent. For example, when chloride reacts with methane in the presence of diffused sunlight, the hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine atoms one after the other, leading to the formation of substitution product CH4 plus Cl2, CH3Cl plus HCl. Similarly, the reaction of methyl iodide with an aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide to form methyl alcohol is a substitution reaction. Substitution reactions may involve free radicals, electrophilic or nucleophilic reagents. Accordingly, they are subdivided as free radical substitution reactions. For example, halogenation of alkenes is a free radical substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Nitration and sulfonation of benzene are the example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Substitution reactions of alkyl halide are nucleophilic substitution reaction. Addition reaction. An addition reaction involves the combination between the molecules of two reacting substances to form a single compound known as the addition product. One of the reactants in such reactions always contains double or triple bond in its molecule. Addition reactions may also involve free radicals, electrophilic or nucleophilic reagents. As such, they are subdivided as free radical addition reaction. Addition of HBr to alkenes in the presence of benzoyl peroxide is a well-known example of free radical addition. Electrophilic addition reaction. Most of the addition reactions of alkenes are electrophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Aldehydes and ketones undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Elimination reaction. These reactions involve the loss of atom or groups of atoms from a molecule to form